Sandali lang ha.
Ano yung gano'n? Sino po? Okay lang yun. Next time. Yung ba kami narinig? Next time.
Basta mag-isip pa. Sa motis mo.
Paging the following players: Joseph Arias of San Lorenzo, Blue Armor, versus Jeffrey Karamat of Juan Sumulong, Red Armor. Proceed to court number 5. Justin Di Guzman of UB, Blue Armor, versus Blue Martinez of Glendale, Red Armor. Leonard Samperes of MSHS, Blue Armor, versus Simon Gamaro of PCS, Red Armor.
Sino ba to?
Dominador Doctorero of La Consolacion, Blue Armor, versus James Carino of Cebu Varsity, Red Armor. Jed Roncal, Blue Armor, versus Miguel Saligumba of Seaton, Red Armor. Paulo Miguel Naragbao of La Consolacion, Blue Armor, versus Justin Aqua of University of Baguio, Red Armor. Christian Cortez of Seaton, Blue Armor, versus Kim Archie Sagubay of Lasio de Paquil, Red Armor.
Tex, gulat muna. Malayo yan.
Freire of Medon FC, Blue Armor, versus Holo Salinas
Op.
of Juan Sumulong, Red Armor. All players tinatawag, proceed to court number 5 right now.
Huwag kang manggigil. Huwag kang manggigil, Chase. Ano, 11.
For the grade school boys, Novice 1,
Wala,
for
wala.
fight number 11. Final call, Juan Dominic Bautista of St. Thomas More versus John Ivan Perando of Liceo de Baquil, Red Armor. Once again, fight number 11 for grade school boys, Novice 1. Juan Dominic Bautista, St. Thomas More, Blue Armor versus John Vin Perando of Liceo de
Oh, hindi
Baquil, Red
ganyan.
Armor. Please proceed to the inspection area right now.
Set, set, set. Huwag kang manggigil. Set.
Magkagulo ako para yellow ka lang.
Abang na, abang, abang. Sabay to ninyo. Magkahabol naman yan eh.
Wala pa pangalan. Saan mo papanalo? Lalaro ka ba? Wala.
Oh.
Surprise!
Ang talagin.
Last call on the following players. John Ben Mirando, Constantine Compasi, Montessori, Franco Guerrero, SMQC. Please proceed to the inspection area right now.
Michael! Red or